Quick analysis of forklift accidents. The forklift driver is distracted and driving too fast. The warehouse worker is looking down at some documents, which leads to a collision. Both parties share responsibility. Next one. He must be a rookie. The forks doesn't go all the way under the pallet, and then he makes an operational error. He should go through more training. Next one. The driver's view is completely blocked by the load. The workplace is noisy. People and forklifts are moving around together. Sure, the driver's at fault for the unsafe driving, but pedestrians also need to stay alert and keep themselves safe. Next one. The operator takes a turn through the passageway without slowing down, and the stack of goods is too tall. The last one. No matter how strong you think you are, never try to hold up falling loads with your hands. That's what the forklift's for, not you. Follow us to learn more about forklift safety.